Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified. You can also follow me on my social media handles to stay updated.
Hello everyone, welcome to Absolutely Creative. I'm Swathi. Today's video is a collaboration. It's called Traveling Through the Alphabets, which is all about coming up with creative ways of teaching alphabets for preschool and kindergarten kids. I'm joining up with April Parker over at Simple Rugged Path YouTube channel. I'm gonna put up a link of April's channel in the description box below. Be sure to go and check her out. She's an amazing homeschooling mom too. In this collaboration, there are 25 more channels that signed in to teach one alphabet each. So this is a quite big collaboration of 26 channels who all are coming together to teach us 26 alphabets to our kids in a fun and creative way. I'm gonna put the link of a playlist below to watch the similar lesson plan videos for all the rest 25 alphabets. So you can click on it and watch all those videos. It can be very helpful in teaching your kids all the alphabets in fun and creative ways. I have been allotted the alphabet Q by the host April Parker for today's collaboration. So let's learn the alphabet Q in today's video. But before that, let me introduce you all a really cute guest who is going to accompany with me here in this video. Let's welcome SAIVI.
Hello friends, welcome to Absolutely Creative. My name is SAIVI and I'm 5 years old. I just joined kindergarten. Today we are learning the alphabet Q. Q is for Queen. For quarter. Q is for quack. E, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Q is for question mark. Q is for Q-tips. Q-tips. Q is for quick. Is for quilt. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to Absolutely Creative. Bye. Mommy!
It was absolutely fun working with you, SAIVI. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please hit that like button and share my videos with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel Absolutely Creative for more interesting videos.